Golf Bravo number 2 Sierra Lima, GB2 Sugar Lima.
Okay, Delta Golf 2, thank you, 73, QRZ, Golf Bravo 2 Sugar Lima. Thank you, good luck. QRZ 20, Golf Bravo 2 Sierra Lima Lighthouse. Delta November 1 X-ray Echo 59 big signal. Thank you, QRZ Golf Bravo 2 Sugar Lima. Oscar Q1 Lima Echo Victor 59.
All passives, nothing major, nothing's dead. We've got a transformer that splits it into two differentials, so we've got sine and cosine. So you see two halves of the same circuit.
Yeah.
And then we've got this is what does you change over from your receiver 1, receiver 2.
Right.
First mixer. And all this does is you've got the gate there. And effectively it's beated with the local oscillator. So you've got you've come across summon difference, haven't you?
Yeah,
How that works,
yeah.
So because you've got your carrier frequency, because you're beating that effectively.
Where's the component on both?
Or anything. Move forward quick. The radio's fine.
Oh, no, black thing.
There's no point.
That's great.